Well, if you're considering getting rhinoplasty but think you can't afford it, check this out. Our next guest has a way you can have a miracle nose job with no surgery and no downtime. America's favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess, is here, and I think people might be going, I'm sorry, I think I heard you wrong. I think I heard you wrong, but it is possible.
It is possible. You know, we're really going away from the traditional big surgeries, and we're now offering a lot of non-surgical answers to those traditional surgical approaches. And the nose, I mean, if you've ever looked at yourself in the mirror and say, oh, I wish that bump could be fixed, or I wish it wasn't as crooked, or just a little bit higher, I'd be so happy. But you know, the cost, the downtime of having a traditional rhinoplasty will, you know, basically scare you away. We could do it, and you can get instant results. This is my favorite patient.
Yes, your handsome husband.
And he had this hump and this bump on the nose, and we're like, well, let's fix it once and for all. We did the injection of Restylane, and immediately after, and you know what's interesting is it looks like we reduced the size of his nose, and we didn't break any bone. There's no downtime. You can see immediately after, you'll see the result, and then the after is 1 week, and the swelling's gone down, and now he has perfect nose. That's why he said his nose deserves to be famous.
Right, famous nose, famous nose.
That's right.
How long does that last?
It lasts for 9 to 12 months. And it's less than $500 with all of the specials going on right now in the clinic, and this is him. So you can see it totally changed the proportion of his face, and which is what, you know, traditional rhinoplasty can do. But now, really minimizing the risk. There's no downtime. It's cheap. So if you have a party at the end of the week and you want to come in the beginning of the week, we can fix your nose.
Okay, that is incredible. And I know a lot of people have a fear of the general anesthesia and going under the knife. You're alleviating that and really providing an amazing solution.
And you know, patients say they're so amazed, it's almost painless. And I just put some cream, numbing cream on, and, you know, basically expertly sculpt, because obviously it's highly, highly technical. The doctor has to know exactly what they're doing, but, you know, in the right hands, it's amazing.
We were also talking about a tradition that is very common in the Asian cultures. Well, they do extensive surgery, and you can do that very
easily. That, yes. I've actually given workshops all over China, Korea, all over Asia, and there's a preference, their cultural preference, where they want a narrower, more elongated face shape, and they go through extensive surgery where they actually cut part of the jawbone out, and now it's no longer necessary. This is a patient came in before. This is 1 month after. We just did some injection of Botox to reduce the size of the jaw area there, the jaw muscle, and no, I mean, they can speak, they can eat, there's nothing, just forget about it. And this is him 1 month after. Looked like he lost 10 pounds, his face is narrower, slimmer. He's super happy.
This is incredible because you're really altering people, and it's super easy, there's no downtime.
Exactly.
You go back to work the next
Same
day.
Same day. I mean, these are really lunch break procedures. And you can do, that's really non-surgical facial reshaping, the nose, the jaw. I mean, we can lift the brows, we can open the eyes. It's all done now without surgery, and you don't have any more excuses because it's amazing. We're having special offers in the clinic. You get half off, 50% off your second syringe of Restylane. You get 50% off your second area of lipo. You get free Botox, Dysport, Restylane, Juvederm with any laser treatments over $3,000, and 30% off any RN administered services. And the thing about it is that I personally administer and do the facial reshaping.
And like you said, you've traveled all over the world. You teach other people about this, and this is your passion.
Yes, it's really, really crucial to go to someone who knows what they're doing, and I love it. This is my favorite procedures because, as you've seen in the photos, you can transform patients, and they're ecstatic because they just do not even believe, like you said, that it's possible, and it's just that easy.
Transforming people from the inside out. Thank you so much, Dr. Tess. Wonderful to have you on today.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
All right.